channel American Dream Mansions. Today we are going to show you a beautiful modern American home with a luxury cream and gray color design. This house is perfect for families who love space, comfort, and peaceful living. Make sure you watch the full video because this home has many amazing features including a modern kitchen, big living room, stylish bedrooms, gym, swimming pool, and a relaxing TV lounge. Let's start with the drone view. From the top, you can see this stunning modern house with a clean cream and gray exterior. The design looks very elegant and expensive. The house is located in a peaceful neighborhood with wide roads, green lawns, and beautiful surroundings. The big driveway and modern architecture make this home look like a true dream mansion. Now we move to the front gate and entrance. The house has a modern gate with a wide driveway leading to the main door. The outside lights give a very rich and warm look. When you come to the front door, you can see the beautiful design and stylish finishing. This entrance gives a strong first impression and makes the house look very welcoming. Let's go inside the house. As soon as we enter, you can see the modern interior with cream and gray colors everywhere. The shiny floor, clean walls, and beautiful chandelier make the entrance look very luxurious. The design is simple but very elegant, which makes the house feel calm and comfortable. Now we are in the living room. This living room is very big and perfect for spending time with family. You can see a modern sofa, a large TV wall, and stylish lights on the ceiling. The cream and gray theme gives a very peaceful feeling. The big windows allow natural light to come inside, making the room look bright and fresh. Next we go to the kitchen. This kitchen is designed in modern American style. You can see the big island table in the center with a marble countertop. The cabinets are gray and the walls are cream, which makes the kitchen look very clean and expensive. There is a lot of space for cooking and storage. This kitchen is perfect for families who love cooking and eating together. Now we move to the dining area. Here you can see a long dining table with modern chairs. The chandelier above the table gives a very rich look. This place is perfect for family dinners, parties, and special occasions. The dining area is close to the kitchen which makes it very convenient. Let's check the garage. This house has a big garage with space for 2 cars. The garage is clean, modern, and very useful. Having a large garage like this is perfect for families because you have extra space for storage and parking. Now we go to the bedroom. This bedroom is very beautiful with a king-size bed and soft lighting. The cream and gray colors make the room look peaceful and relaxing. Large windows bring natural light inside and make the room feel fresh. There is also a lot of space for furniture and decoration. Next we see the bathroom. This bathroom looks like a luxury hotel. You can see modern tiles, a glass shower, a big mirror, and a stylish bathtub. Everything looks clean and expensive. This kind of bathroom makes everyday life feel comfortable and relaxing. Now we go to the gym room. This house has a private gym where you can exercise anytime. You don't need to go outside for workout. Having your own gym at home is a big advantage and saves time. The room has modern equipment and enough space for exercise. Let's move to the backyard. This is one of the best parts of the house. Here you can see a beautiful swimming pool, a garden, and a swing. This place is perfect for relaxing, enjoying fresh air, and spending time with family. At night, the lights make the backyard look even more amazing and luxurious. Now we go to the TV lounge. This room is perfect for watching movies and sports. You can see a big screen TV, comfortable sofa, and modern lights. The cream and gray design makes the room look stylish and cozy. This is the place where the whole family can sit together and enjoy their time. This house is perfect for anyone who wants a peaceful, modern, and luxury life. The cream and gray theme makes the home look elegant. The big rooms, modern kitchen, stylish bathroom, gym, pool, and TV lounge make this house a complete dream home. If you like this house tour, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel American Dream Mansions, and press the bell icon so you never miss another luxury house tour. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video with another beautiful American Dream Mansion.